Good afternoon. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. Today I'm going to talk about hand-over-hand steering and airbag injuries. I'm going to go over the top 5 injuries from turning hand over hand. Let's go ahead and get it. Number 1, you can have forearm fractures. This airbag is being roughly put out from the center of the steering wheel at over 200 miles per hour. That is dangerous because once you turn, your elbow can be fractured. Number 2, wrist fractures. If you're turning hand over hand, your wrist is exposed to that airbag exploding. You need to be careful. Number 3, fingers and thumb injuries. This airbag is being deployed, you've hit something. The airbag is like a huge balloon that expands. You won't have time to get your thumbs or fingers off the steering wheel. This is a very dangerous situation. Unfortunately, your nose and your cheekbones can also be broken or fractured when an airbag is deployed. This is dangerous. Next, facial lacerations. This is where your face is cut from the chemicals or from the glass. You're wearing earrings, bracelets. You really have to be careful. Unfortunately, hundreds, if not hundreds of thousands of people are injured from airbags being deployed. What can you do about this? You can turn hand to hand, where you're going hand to hand instead of hand over hand. I hope this was helpful for you. I need you to make good decisions when you drive. You need to subscribe to my channel. I do driver's ed tutorials. Thank you. Bye.